Welcome to our sugar detox program. Today, I would like to take you on a journey as we explore the importance of replacing sweet drinks and beverages with non sweet alternatives. Many of us are sweet drink drinkers, right? Yeah. Imagine a world where sugary drinks no longer dominate our choices and we discover healthier options to quench our thirst. Let's embark on this adventure together. So, before that, let's understand the impact of sugary drinks. Picture yourself standing in front of a row of colorful bottles filled with fizzy sodas, sweetened juices, and energy drinks. These tempting beverages hold a hidden danger: excess sugar. Consuming them regularly can lead to weight gain, increased risk of chronic diseases, and those dreaded energy crashes that leave us feeling depleted. Now, let's turn our attention to a different scene. Imagine a tranquil oasis where refreshing and nourishing drinks await you. As you stroll along this path, you discover a sparkling stream of pure water. This simple, calorie free is nature's gift for hydration and vitality. Take a moment to savor its grapes taste and the revitalizing sensation it brings. Venture together and you encounter a fragrant tea garden with herbs and flowers dancing in the breeze. Here, you discover herbal teas that not only delight the senses but also nourish the body. Sip on Pu'er Tea to relax, peppermint to invigorate, or green tea to embrace the meditative moment. As you continue your journey, you stumble upon a grove of fruit trees and bountiful gardens. Here, you find the essence of nature's sweetness. Pluck a ripe berry, gently crush it into your water, and witness the transformation. Infuse water with its tantalizing flavors of cucumber and mint, lemon and ginger, or strawberry and basil becomes a refreshing companion for your thirst. Next, you arrive at a cafe where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and tea fills the air. You are tempted to indulge, but instead you opt for unsweetened options, allowing the rich flavors to captivate your palate. Consider adding a touch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract to elevate your experience. Finally, you stumble upon a vibrant orchard where fruits and vegetables overflow in abundance. Inspired by this natural treasure, you pick a selection of your favorite produce. Back in your kitchen, you embark on a creative journey, blending them into homemade juices, bursting with nutrients and natural sweetness. Each sip becomes a celebration of flavor without the need for added sugars. Now, let me offer you some practical tips for transitioning to these non-sweet alternatives. Just as you wouldn't rush through a beautiful landscape, take your time with this transformation. Begin by gradually reducing your intake of sugary drinks, replacing them one by one with healthier options. Add a dash of creativity by experimenting with flavors, finding your unique combinations that excite your taste buds. Explore the labels of the beverages you encounter, seeking those marked no added sugar or unsweetened. Equip yourself with a trusty water bottle or a portable infusion container, ensuring that your new choices are always within reach.